Hello everyone, I'm back with another trade using my rinse and repeat approach. That is, looking for tickers that have fired from a squeeze, they have stacked EMAs across 5 time frames, and have aligned histograms across 5 time frames. Using my custom scans, I'm able to easily identify these A+ setups and trade them profitably over 95% of the time, sometimes even 100% of the time. Hello and welcome back. Dr. B here with Ready, Set, Grow. And on this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Check the description for the scans I used in the video, my social media handle, as well as a link to my Discord server. I ran my scans on the weekly time frame, and ARK meets all conditions for a put. It fired short on the weekly time frame. I also see that it fired long on the 4-hour time frame, and normally I would ignore a ticker if it has conflicting information like firing long and firing short at the same time. However, since it has fired long for 5 bars, I understand that means that the bullish momentum is dying off, and the larger time frame to me supersedes the smaller time frames. It has aligned histograms on 5 time frames, and the EMAs are stacked on all 5 time frames. Since it meets all my criteria, I'm interested in puts on ARK. I'm looking at next week's puts. I always trade in the money or at the money, so I'm going to take the 37 put, and I'm actually going to get 50 contracts this time so that I don't have to hold the trade too long and I can get my profits and get out. So 50 contracts, confirm and send, and I am filled on ARK and I immediately go negative. Taking a look at my ARK, I am down $625, and I told you guys previously whenever I am down, I check to see if the structure is still holding. So going back to ARK on my scans, I see that it still has fired short weekly, and I see that the histograms and EMAs are still aligned. So there's no reason for me to panic. I am going to hold on to this until I get an exit sign. I am 40 minutes into the trade and I just went green. I'm going to hold on to it a bit longer to see how green I'm going to get. I am up just 4%, but I'm going to get my sell order set up so that I can close this trade quickly when I'm ready. I'm going to set my sell order a little higher than the mark price, confirm and send, and wait to see if I can get filled. My sell order just was filled and I am out of this trade at $600 in gains. Here in the server, you can see where I alerted ARK. I also live trade with my members so they heard me alert this or call this as I was entering it. Let's see how my members did. All right, Cooney made 10% on the ARK. Congratulations. I see that Manny P closed ARK green. Awesome. Tristan closed out SWKS, which is something I called on voice. David H, he says, close out ARK first trade with options queen. Thank you. $250. So that's great. F Lamar says he's out of ARK green. Thanks options queen. Trail stop set on ARK from AJ Parker. Over 1K in ARK. What a way to start the week. So my members did pretty well on this trade. If you're looking for a trading community, make sure you check us out. I'll leave a link in the description for my Discord server. If you're interested in the scans I use to find my A+ setups, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. If you like my content, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for trading with me today, and I'll see you next time.